Hey, this is Chris with Affiliate Tube doing another review on ezmagicvideo by Todd Gross. This product's coming out on, I believe, May the 14th in the evening. And what I'm going to do in this video is give you a full tutorial of ezmagicvideo. And I'm going to show you exactly how it works. I'm going to do a video. I'm going to go through the process of making a video through the software so you can see exactly how it works, the features that comes along with it, and I'm going to go over some of the upsells as well. I don't know 100% all the details about the upsells, but I do know enough so where it should be able to help you better understand the whole process of buying and what you get when you do buy the upsells. And also on my website here, on affiliatetube.com, on this page, the link's directly under the video, and if you click on it, it's going to take you here, and it's going to go over a lot of these details. It's going to show you a couple of the demos that were made using ezmagicvideo, as well as showing you some things that I liked, I didn't like, showing you the bonuses that I'm offering with this package if you happen to buy through this page, and some other additional information and goodies that I like to give out to my visitors and my subscribers. So with that said, let's jump into ezmagicvideo and let's go ahead and get started on showing you about what this is. Okay, so here we are. You can see I've already made some videos on here. I'm going to go back to the main menu that you're going to see when you log into your account. And this is where it's going to take you. Now, if ezmagicvideo is the only product, the only easy product that you've purchased before, that's the only thing you're going to see here. If you've bought other products, the Easy brand products, you're going to know you'll see a lot more here, but in that case you just want to click on this button and it's going to take you to this page. Now currently I have early access to ezmagicvideo, so everything that you're going to see here is going to be maybe a little bit different than what you will see when you log in. In fact, you're going to have more stuff than what I'm going to have because they're not completely done with setting it up yet. But it's done enough so where I can give you a full demonstration and show you how the whole thing works. So on this page, you're going to choose your spokesperson you want, or if you have templates saved that you've used previously, you can also choose those. Now with the initial product of ezmagicvideo, there's going to be 5 spokespersons. Now currently you can see that there's 4 here, but 2 of them are the same just because they haven't finished everything yet. But you're going to see 5, and with one of the upsells it will give you an additional 2 more spokespersons. So what you're going to do is you're going to choose the one spokesperson you want to do your video. So for this example, we'll just go ahead and click on this guy here, Jack. Okay. Now this is the main design page. This is where we're going to create our video and where everything happens. Now just to kind of give you a little bit of a summary of how all this works, ezmagicvideo takes the spokesperson that you just chose, and then it lets you choose from thousands of different scripts that are already pre-recorded and added in the system to create your own video. So if you're doing videos to promote products or services, if you're doing local marketing videos for yourself or even for your clients, this is going to be perfect for you. In fact, for years I've been going to Fiverr or Upwork.com and hiring people to make my videos for me, which normally cost around $50 each and would take anywhere from 2 to 5 days to get them back. And so now you can come in here, you can create a video in less than 5 minutes once you get the hang of all this, and then have it rendered within a few minutes later. So in under 10 minutes you can have a video ready to go, which is really impressive if you're doing it for a client. And so the first thing you're going to do when you get to this page is you're going to click the plus sign. And the plus sign here is going to bring up categories which you can choose to select scripts from that the spokesperson will say. So like I mentioned earlier, if you buy the additional upsells, you're going to have a lot more of these categories in here than what I currently have. And what you want to do is just click on one of the categories and it's going to show you the available scripts within that category. And so what I want to do is just go ahead and select this first one. And now it's going to ask us how do we want it to display in the video. We can either have it centered with no text, which means it'll just show the spokesperson in the center of the screen. We can have it with the text on the right, which will show the spokesperson on the left-hand side. We can show just the text only, or we can do zoomed in, which shows a spokesperson closer up. So I'm going to do one of each just to show you what it looks like. We'll do the centered with no text with this one. And you can see that it created this first slide for us. And then it's not really a slide, it is a video clip, but I'm just going to call each one of these a slide. And then we're going to add another one. It brings us right back to the same category, and we're going to choose this one. And next we'll do text right. Number 3, we'll do this one, text only. Number 4, we'll do this one with zoomed in. And number 5, I'm going to do this one with zoomed in again, and you're going to notice that both of these are orange, and that's showing you that both of these had the option chosen for zoomed in. And the reason it does this is that it wants you to know the style you have for each one of your slides or each one of your video clips, because if you have one, for example, if we were to go to closings and choose this one, if we was to do one with centered no text and then do one zoomed in and then back to centered no text or zoomed in, it's going to look kind of funny because your video is going to show the spokesperson average the way they normally would, and then a little bit zoomed in, and then back to average and back to zoomed in again, and it'll look more kind of like it's glitchy than a professional video. So they want you to know the order that you have these arranged in, so you can make your video look much better by the different styles that you're choosing. Now, once we're done here creating this, we can come over here and we can click Save As and give it a name. So for this one, I'm just going to do test number 3. I've already done multiple videos, and so we're just going to give that one the test 3. Now, what we want to do is, there's several things we can actually do. The first one is we can individually edit these little clips here. We can click this and we can change the background just for this one video we have here. Or we can come over here to background and choose a background that's going to replace the background for every one of these. And that's what I'm going to do. So we'll go to background. It's going to give you information here if you want to upload your own backgrounds, the sizes they should be. And you can choose from the easy library, which I'm going to do. Now the initial product comes with 50 backgrounds already with the software, and if you buy the upgrade, I believe you get 50 more backgrounds. And so we're going to scroll down here and we will pick, let's just do this one. And that's going to apply to all of these, so it will be the same background for the entire video. Now for the audio, it's going to give you some details about the audio too if you want to use your own audio background, but this is important to understand because with ezmagicvideo, the spokesperson does their own talking. They have their own audio, so you don't want to upload an actual audio talking video or file. What you want to do, this is more for a background audio, which I don't know, maybe they should have change this from audio to background audio, because that's really what it needs to be. And they have a lot of their own audio from their library, or you can upload your own. And if there's one suggestion that I could make about this tool, is that they would be able to give you the option to preview each of these before adding them to your video. So until you start going through here and making a lot of videos and just kind of remembering which ones are which, it's kind of hard to know, you know, what background audio am I using. So for this example, I'm just going to choose this Ambiance 8 and choose. Okay, and we can also add lower thirds if we want to upload our own. There's the details for it. If not, you can click change image and then choose from the easy library, and they have some of their own you can choose from. I am not going to add that yet. And then a final closing slide, we can add that in here. If we enable final closing, it'll give us the option to either add some of our own information here or choose some images from the easy library or upload our own if you want you know, a logo or something. Now this, like I mentioned earlier, this review of ezmagicvideo Video is not going to show you everything. There's going to be a few more buttons over here that's currently not showing. There's going to be ones, I believe, for intro, one for outro, and one for a final slide, I think. So if you're promoting a product, maybe an affiliate product, and you want that end slide to say visit www.whatever your affiliate link is.com, you can use that there to create it with, or you know, call us at 1-800 whatever. So those will be there after you purchase ezmagicvideo, but currently they are not set up just yet. So once we're done here, we've already created everything. We can come over here and we can move these around if we want. We can delete them or change the individual backgrounds for the individual clips. But this is good, so I'm going to go ahead and save it. And then once I'm done saving, I can click render. And then rendering says, please allow time for render to complete. They're experiencing a high volume of renders, and the reason they have this message on here is because when ezmagicvideo launches, there's going to be a ton of people using this and a ton of people making videos, and so you're going to be in a queue to have it processed or to be rendered. And so when it first launches, you're going to have to give a little bit of time, because chances are you're going to have to wait maybe 5 or 10, maybe even, you know, longer to have your video completely rendered. So I've been doing these videos here over the past hour or so, and it's only taken usually less than 5 minutes to have it rendered. So what I'm going to do is we're going to go ahead and pause the video, and I'm going to wait for this to get done, and then we're going to watch this video and kind of go over just a few more details before we end this review. Okay, so the video is done, and let's go ahead and watch it.
Did you know that it's actually possible to make a full-time income online through selling other people's products? I'm not talking about making a small commission here, but more like 30, 50, sometimes even 75% commissions when you make a sale. And of course, you can do all of this without even leaving your home, through the amazing new opportunity provided by affiliate marketing. Now, think about that for a minute. Being able to sell things without having to stock or fulfill it yourself. Just bring in a sale and collect your commission.
Okay, and so that's how easy it is now to have an actual spokesperson's video made that looks really professional. And as I mentioned earlier, this is really impressive to clients when you can make a video like this even while you're there with them, and have it done in a matter of 10 minutes or so, and say, look here, I've already made you a video, you know, just for what you do and your services. And of course, this is also great for affiliate marketers. You can use it to promote products with, and just all kinds of stuff. And there's so many different lines in there that they can use and say. It'll fit almost anything. Now, for local marketers, you do have to buy the upgrade local marketing package in order to take advantage of the local marketing scripts, at least the majority of them. And there's also an option there to join a monthly club, which, if this is something that you're going to be doing a lot of, making your own videos or even reselling them, I highly suggest to do the monthly club. It's only $20 a month, and you're going to be getting new resources every month. So that is well worth it. So be sure to check out my website. I'm going to keep it updated with the latest information about ezmagicvideo, and you can also find out some additional resources on there and some bonuses that I'm going to be offering that I think will really complement this product very well. And if you guys like this video, subscribe to my channel, like the video, feel free to share it, and I hope you guys will be able to now make a better decision as to whether or not ezmagicvideo is something that you want to purchase or not. So thanks, and have a great day, guys.